So right now we're at Royal Mystic.
Pour
us.
People are saying no.
Similar pour us
We are
like
tired of
2 miles up the road, you know.
And the government
It's at the border of Manchester.
So tell us a little about the place.
Well, it's a long story and it's a far away, you know. We start to think from a fruit start, you know. For the decades, you know, and the tech time I grew, you know. We wait till I never, you know, we have the coast on one side, and we have the Rasta on one side. We're going to put the arbor on the next side of what they say, you know, the arbor we have on, you know.
So normally Rastaman are so big and thick, how you...
I natural food, you know, bro. You know, we live close to the kitchen, you know.
Yeah.
We live in the kitchen. So, pot always up, you know, them here. And you know when you are work.
Going there, so to the Chinese
the more you work, you know, the more you have an inner comfort, you know.
Yeah.
Tell we
yeah, man. Grateful, you know.
You look more like a maroon spirit.
Yeah, man. Yeah, come on with the African, you know, so. Yeah, the African spirit.
Give me your name.
Point and master, you know.
Okay. So this is the border between Foreignland
and Manchester. Yeah, man.
And what is spot name? I mean, it must have a special name.
Whitney Turn.
Nitturn?
Whitney.
Whitney. Whitney Turn.
Yeah, man.
Enough trucks and things.
Yeah, Mesa Road, you know.
Yeah.
From Kingston to up in Amadiville, Christian.
Enough traffic. Nice.
Yeah, man. Stop far away, man.
Regardless of wherever we think it came from, it there. That's the bottom line.
From them level, you know.
Yeah, to all the ice stand.
Upon them level,
I know that.
This is my son, I'm like 37-year-old now, and I'm like 35.
Yeah.
You know, and we transform it, you know.
Oh, that was you first?
Yes, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I'm a tailor virgin, you know. Yeah, that's how we are doing the business, you know. Likewise, you know. So the next set of youth, them now, them are 2 last set of youth, you know.
Alright. So when them come Jamaica, just call you.
Yeah, man.
You can show them about the place or assign them to people for them safety.
Of course.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. That first, man.
First.
That comes first, man. Safety first, man.
To say you have some food. And the real thing, Marcus, give everything you deal with.
Yeah, man. That right there, man. Up in my race, you know.
See there. I see there.
Yeah, man. That's how we are doing it, man. Everything is...
Everything, my digestive.
Pumpkin, cantaloupe, breadfruit, carrot, beetroot, okra, cucumber, soursop and pineapple juice.
Yeah,
that's the last thing. So you're gonna really place this. So when all the man them really want to understand and learn about Jamaica, this is the place.
This is the place, right on the border of Manchester and Clarendon. Whitney Turn. Royal Mystic.
Yes.
Hello,
Like prize.
Yes.
No, me smell the fish, you know.
Nice.
Because we can go in, the lady a cook, we can...
Yeah, man, you can go around, man. Our thing, you know.
Yes, Father. How you doing? I'm Randy. Put on your mask for me. Where your mask there? You left it this morning? I'm going to stay. I'm going to stay far, alright? No more. I'm going to get it. Are you the cook? How long you cook the thing?
Years, man.
Eh?
Yeah, man, years, donkey years.
Donkey years?
Not cover them out, man.
And them say me pen and a play pen, you know.
Yeah, man. Okay. Are you the rock your boy? You better tell me here.
Marshall, how about this?
Those are fritters, you know.
What kind of, just regular fritters and saltfish knife?
Yes, man. Granny style of fritters, man. The skeleton and the country pepper and the saltfish.
One taste one of that
of
with
course,
some fish.
Man. Chef, let him have it now, man.
And put some fish in it. Do you have no kind of sauce for your fish?
Yeah, you reach the sauce, eh? You know reach the sauce.
So where my fry up yourself?
Right now, I'll fish them that are sliced fish, you know, so
Okay.
we're using the sliced fish.
Alright, so just a little some fish right now. Now the pot, alright?
Rice and peas, yeah.
Wicked.
Oh,
Let me
wicked.
get a spoon of that.
Let me get that spoon of the rice and peas, too. Just fix everything in that dish, you know.
Yes, Marshall. Now I know if a Marcus Gavia deal with
Yeah, man, I'll be by the waist, man.
a visitor, come here and he will assign you to the people for your safety.
Yes, man. Yeah, man. And we also have the farm on the back, too, you know.
You have a farm?
Yeah, we had a mini farm, like,
Okay.
black pepper, you know.
Alright.
Yeah, nobody interfere with the vehicle, we have the place locked.
Alright, so now let's see. Are you wait the man? Yes, sir. So basically the people them can just the foreigners from Germany,
Yeah.
UK can just come back with a cheer
Yeah, man.
and have a smokes with you.
This is Guinness, man. We just tear the limb
The
from
man
the
them
tree.
can have a smoke with you.
Of course, man. We had a few children.
Oh my gosh, bro. You have a nice place here. Yeah, man. We want to promote your kind of business. Many times, I love to see when the Rasta man them mobile up.
Yeah, man. That's what we're trying to do, you know.
Yeah.
Trying to pick myself up, you know.
Mhm.
Rainfall in this place is
So how is your mother and father?
Yeah, well, I lost my mom and father like
Sorry about that.
a few years ago, you know.
Uh-huh.
But we are still here doing
What's your main philosophy in life?
My main philosophy? To just do good, man.
Hmm.
Yeah, man. And uplift the black race, you know.
And when you're reading, what do you read a lot of?
Yeah, we start from the Bible, you know. That's where we start to get the first doctrine from, you know.
Mhm.
Yeah, and it start to motivate us, and then now we start to seek for other things, you know. Just like something is there, man, and just trying to absorb it up, and we start to search for goodness now, and the goodness start to take over now, and we just plan to do pure good all the day of our life, you know.
Yes, brother.
So our main philosophy is to just do good, you know, and it will also follow you, you know, and the generation to come, you know. As me tell you, I have like 11 sons and 3 daughters and like 19 grandkids, you know. So we're just doing what we have to do to make life continue, you know. And it's all about life, man, and we start a little farm around here, you know. You know, so
Wow.
life is great, you know. When we say life is great, everything is here, you know.
Okay.
Everything is here.
Because it look like you all want all 10,000 cow.
You look at yeah, man, of course. Yeah, man, want to be like Abraham, man.
Because I mean, you have the structure, you have the vision,
Yeah, man.
you have the start, you have the place, you have the location. You just need a business associate
Yes.
to lease a piece of land and govern it.
Extend the thing to another level.
Yeah, man, because I mean, so you had to buy all of these.
All of these things, man, it's like invest like $1 million and few hundreds, you know.
Yes.
To prepare the place and purchase the cows, you know them really. And then now somebody used to come to get the grass too for the cows, the feeding. Then now we have to purchase a truck for myself now because he's on his own business sometime and
Are him used to
everything
just to help you?
is-
Talk to. He used to help you.
Tell him how
my
it.
brother, man, him not left me, man. I'm draw up everything, man. It's like I'm a director, you know. Any problem we have, we put it to my brethren. We sit down, we put the things together, man. Yeah,
Yeah,
man.
man,
I make it work, man. So we tell ourselves, so we need Mr. Get It Right.
Mr.
We have to get it right. We must get it right. You know,
So
say,
come over here, someone.
Hey, yeah, me man, this man is.
the journey long, you know.
Tell him
Talk about the
tell him
journey.
going.
Talk about the
From way
journey.
back when, man. From me, I have under 50, man.
Yes,
I'm go up
man.
and
Yes,
place,
man.
man. Go purchase orange from his parents, man. You know,
man.
tangerine, grapefruit, the budded pear.
listen.
You know, yeah, 'cause his father is the counselor, you know. From way back when, you know. Yeah, man. So we're coming from a long time,
Long
man.
time, brother, man.
So till we leave all out of the business, you know. He's go plant tomato, you know. Yeah, when we pick tomato, it's like 24 jump on a tomatoes a week, man. Kingston, man, up a Coronation Market, man. First $500,000, man, off of tomatoes, man.
Bravis,
Wholesale,
man.
Yeah, man.
Bravis Hills, man.
Terrible, man. Grateful for life, man.
Terrible
Because
rough. Not
love
right.
what Jah has done for
Yes,
us. Cause
man.
without
Yeah,
him, we's
yeah,
nothing,
Yeah,
man.
man. Yeah, man.
Him before us,
Yeah,
man. Go
man.
before us, John.
All right.
You know, and then the way clear and you go through.
Exactly.
Yeah, man. Him cover you, man.
Real Rasta, I am a brother.
Up movements, man. For myself and the black family, you know. It's great.
You know, sir.
Yeah, man.
All the
Marshall.
night.
Some sleepless night.
man.
You know, the fruit stall out there, man. Him come check me, me can't even wait.
Wait.
You know,
I'm a smoke
him
and
smoke herb, him heat sweet sap, sour sap, ripe banana. Cause town him a come from late night, you know.
I'm going.
And I go home, you know. Early in the morning, and come back for come check me. You knock out, me say me never know. I might tell me the things them.
Yeah, man.
And I say it
why I
go over
need
the
man.
years, you know.
Brother, man.
And we just come now, people's person now. We just there now to serve the people.
Hey,
them.
talk no, man.
We just serve the people them. Them love our brethren.
Come here, man.
Them love our man.
Hey,
Stand up
Here
there,
and
sir, man.
everywhere, man.
I tell you, man.
A
People
two,
them
a
love
two,
us,
a
brother,
two
man.
story, you know. The same story, you know. So no run nowhere.
No.
I see him story, man.
Real, man. I'm a
But
brother, man.
I just say it reach, you know.
Yeah, man.
It a come from far
Yeah,
back,
man.
way
Yeah,
back
man.
when,
Way
you
back
know,
when.
way back when before them crowns came, you know.
Long time.
Long time from they were sentenced from go prison go hang, you know. Yeah, it a go from before them farmers
long
Spranglers
time.
gang. It's so long. From before the farmers
Original.
Spranglers gang, the
Yes,
one
I
other
know,
gang, before the
original,
farmer
I
clans,
think,
man. It's so long, you know.
Yes, man.
We just there hold it still, no,
Yes,
cause
man.
you know the Rasta man go through a lot of tribulation, you know. And
All
I try-
on the cross.
Yeah, man, all on the cross,
Cross,
they hang on
Rasta.
the cross. But
No joke
we never
about it.
last. Even when we hang on the cross, we still not last. You know what I mean? Because we start to move steadfast, man, you know. Gather ground, you know. Yeah, man. And this is the limb of another bearing tree, you know. This one is the limb of another bearing tree, you know. It's the cloning, you know, this one, and we clone this one and bring it out, you know. We have to try experiment, you know, so we need to get into the growing of marijuana, you know.
Medicinal.
The medical
Are
marijuana.
you an expert grower?
Yeah, yes, of course. We must be an expert grower because
Original
we are suffering, you know. Rasta is suffering under herb for so long, you know. Yeah, we go through all the tribulation for herbs. So now is the time where Rasta now to take it now and expand and bring it to another level. Because this is now medical marijuana. Everyone now acknowledge now the purpose of marijuana and what the use of marijuana can do for our body.
Oh.
You know? So we want to take it to the next level. Because we went ahead and plant weed over the years, you know. And now we can plant weed in the public now.
Yes.
You know?
Yeah.
So we suffer, man, the consequence, man.
Yes, man.
Them beat it till we have no sense.
18 months imprisonment.
Yeah, man.
So now it's your time. Rasta
Liberation.
time.
Liberation.
Yeah, black people time, we
Yes,
must rise up, you know, and
yes.
take our stance, you know.
Yes.
But it can't happen unless we unite. It's the unity, is the power, you know.
Think about it.
As soon as we start to put the power together, which is the unity, we win, man. When each one can see through his brother eyes, you know what I mean? They have your feelings to your brother. You know when the brother hungry, you know when he want the shoes, you know when him naked, you know what I mean? Yeah, so we have feel the energy, you know, each other.
You know when your
what I
brother
mean?
want our.
Yeah, man.
Tell him again. You know when your brother
You
want
want a shoes, you know when you want a pants, you know when him hungry. You know when him youth want to go school and him can't even finance that and you have to touch him. Maybe it could have cost like $1,000 to go school, but you give him 500. You help him along the way and the youth still gone. The bus fare, we go and come and you would have come this star, man. That's how we have to empower ourselves. You know what I mean? We have to empower ourselves so
Yes, man,
we
yeah.
can empower each other. You know what I mean?
Real
Because
virgin, you know.
one way to go, you know. Together, man.
Oh,
And we are going to win, brother. You know what I'm saying? As me tell you, at the Marcus got everything, you know?
Sure.
You know what I'm saying?
So when me tell yourself me have 2,000 bucks for you.
Then we don't have the book them for distribute to the youth them.
So me can bring them and you can get them out for me.
Where?
Oh, you talking about our place at
Tell
headquarters
him
right
about
now.
the children treat.
Right
The
now,
children treat.
we do children treat for children youth, man.
Do
We
that
bring
over and
the things
over.
down, man.
Digital books.
Yes, man.
What me say?
And
Over and
distribute
over
to the
and
youth,
do
man. We do that, man. Send things to the police youth club,
Yes,
man.
man.
Support the dead yard,
And
there,
have
man.
all-
Everybody,
have all
man.
your football team.
I
in
have
the
a
league.
football team and going to the league to represent the place, man, you know.
Yeah,
So
thanks,
we are in power the thing, you know what I
Yeah,
mean?
Rasta
We need to
man,
get
man.
into the thing and take the thing to another level.
Yeah.
But you know,
I lead in Racing I whole
Yeah,
zone.
man. So we
I'm my
go hard,
marshal.
Them say
Yeah.
go hard or go home, and me not have no home.
So you have to go
So
hard.
me have to just go hard. Can't stop go hard.
Everywhere.
Everywhere, here, there, and
yeah,
everywhere to
everywhere,
every
yeah, go
face.
hard.
Jah know you.
Yes, man.
So now wisdom for the youth them were kind of distracted from the source. Or we're going to get the youth them back on the pipeline of the source of the Almighty.
Right now, you know, you them get caught up in the illusion world, you know. Cyberspace have them brain, you know. You see them lost, you know. You know, it's technology. The thing take with the knowledge, you know. Them should have a system named give knowledge now, you know.
Yes.
But
Give
it's
knowledge.
Give knowledge, you know. But it's
Give knowledge.
Give knowledge. Yeah.
Give knowledge.
Yeah,
Yes.
man.
Good
Give
knowledge.
Give knowledge.
Give knowledge.
Yeah, man. That's how we think there.
We not take no more.
We not take no more knowledge. And store it into these computer system because everything is going to go down.
Yes.
Because through everything operate
from
from
cyberspace.
You know them,
Yeah,
when
yeah,
we
yeah.
got ready, we're going to erupt cyberspace.
Yes, yeah.
So please don't store all your information on cyberspace.
Store it in your head.
Store it in your brain or
Wisdom.
put it on black and white.
Zunga.
Yeah, or you
Yeah.
go back to the original
Yes, with practical.
typewriter, them hand, click,
Yeah.
and do it thing, you know, because
Yeah.
that's how we have to store.
When
Because cyberspace are going to get shocked. you
That
know.
one the way they call telegraph.
Yeah, man.
Marshall, and me look forward to meet Strong ahead of me.
Yes, kid.
And it's a pleasure to know, sir, this man is like a father. Because him give me the strength 15 years ago for him move forward, you see.
Grateful.
So when me come and see this man,
Yeah, man.
this man I saw, him name the Dragon.
Yeah, man.
And me call him the Dragon, you see.
Yeah.
I am designate that name there too.
Yeah,
the dragon.
No.
And him give me the strength, you know.
Yeah, man.
Because, you know, it was a long journey. We start from SaveJamaica.com and preserve the culture, the herbal information.
Yes.
Then we go Africa, go deliver 2,000 books for Marcus Garvey. Get a hut in a Botswana for Marcus Garvey for build the library there, so. Then we come back to Jamaica now for hit the pavement and start distribute the book them. And 600 video on YouTube at topvideo.com. Dr. Henry Clark, Amos Wilson, John Henry Clark. So we build a virtual institution.
Rastafari.
So when them say it couldn't be done, even though we have technology, we use for the spiritual, we put it in the technology.
Yeah,
So
man.
the next level is to take the spiritual of the ancient Rasta and put it in the technology. So we not destroy nothing. We use everything.
Bring a balance.
Ancient Egypt, the binary system come from.
Exactly.
So
Yeah,
ancient Africa, we invent it.
Of course.
So now we have to use it to kind of
man.
create the balance now with the youth them.
We are the father.
So
man, we are
the
creators,
journey is about to start with you. I like your energy
Give thanks.
because you're real.
Yeah,
Yes,
man.
man.
Well, is that about life, you know?
You're real.
You don't have to add to this thing, you know. You just take
real.
it as it is, you know.
You're real.
You know?
You're real.
So we think that, you know
See,
them,
man.
we
There's,
not add to this, we not make up, you
I know
know.
a man that's
Sometimes we sit and we laugh, you know.
Hey.
Sometimes we sit and we laugh, you know. We see man, we sit down and say they have about 3 million in their pocket, you know. Man look like madman. Barefoot, you say Rasta man a tried, no shirt, just a go on, so him say him now put them thing there in front of humanity, because this is him, you know, this is my life, this is how me do it, you know them here. You know, you up early in the morning, you know, you wash your face, you
Natural
brush your teeth, you know, you give thanks to the king, you run in your kitchen, you sit and you look at breakfast, you know, maybe look at how many porridge, 2 fried dumpling, look at steamed callaloo, and you know them way there. Meanwhile, you grab up your map and your broom and you clean up your place because you want the spirit as you come in the cars. That's how we live, you know.
And you,
You can't live without the herb, you know. It's the healing of the nation, the medical marijuana. Because what it do, it just fix your mind, you know. It can make you so relaxing on yourself.
well, let me ask you this.
Yes, King.
Moderation. If the youth them too young, because you see you can't make them hit it too young, because it seems like what happened in Jamaica, everybody thinks that them want all our meds, and them no have no pressure upon them head. So them start off all 15, 17,
Yes, it's
a
true.
whole of meds, and them a slow down them head already, and they know
Yeah.
why them. So it's like
give them a remedy.
Well,
Drink the tea.
right now, if they can smoke the herb and all the meds, drink the tea. If you can't drink the tea, you use the
Oil.
There are so many ways now to use this medical marijuana.
Shorted, man.
Man, this is life, man.
Yes, man.
And then now, if the youth young, you know, we don't go doctor. And you to get medicine, him prescribe it at your age, you know. You just say,
Jesus
well, all right.
have mercy.
When you are a child, you must get more than half a teaspoon. So some of them youth they will smoke one split. Him shouldn't just take 2 little draw. Him shouldn't smoke one split because it's too high for him. The TLC high, so
Yes,
you know,
yes,
it bring him up, you know. And him brain young, you know.
Yes,
So
yes, so
it's all about moderation,
teaching,
as I say.
And as the man said, dispense order
Yes.
to your age, you know.
That's a thing for you, you know what I mean?
Yes.
You can't abuse the things, it will abuse you, you know.
Precisely.
It's vice versa.
Hey, Ross. Hey, boy.
Too much of one thing good for nothing, man. Too much of one thing good for nothing, you
Hey,
know.
man.
So, balance it.
What
As
I
soon as
think-
you find the balance, you know, then
Are you
you
that,
just
man?
step on the right side of life. You know
Balance.
what I mean? Eh?
Easy.
Yeah, man,
We
it's
love
balance,
it. We
man.
love it.
The science, you know, the science, you know,
So
the
you have a
balance.
computer and thing?
Yeah, we can get it, man. We have it, man. Cyberspace, man. We go
You
there,
know, you
man.
miss it, man.
We
The
go
man,
there,
the man
man.
wild, man.
There's nothing
Hey,
out there that
he
is
have
there
a
to
son.
stop us. There's no barrier,
He
man.
have a son which all his sons them are my favorite son, but he have a son that travels. And boy,
Yeah,
believe
man,
me.
terrible, man. Terrible lion, man.
Yes,
The first son,
he's
man.
a man
Like,
that teaching youth them to just stay like it.
yeah, man. Rough you to know.
Yeah, man.
How many you have again?
Live in a-
11 sons, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. 3 daughters, 19 grandkids, man. 7 baby mothers. Still going strong,
Bam,
man.
bam.
Yeah, man. Just to live the best of life.
So
man.
you're the real lion.
Yeah, real lion, man. Real John the
And also,
lion.
what looking up for me? These are, you know, some of the rest of them will just talk the thing.
No, man, we
You
live
walk the
know.
thing, you live it.
This is our life, man. We
You
walk
have the
walk,
youth.
man. We talk the talk and we walk
You
the
have
walk,
the
man.
business.
Everything,
Yeah,
man.
man.
Wicked,
Yeah, man. We take that from fruit, man.
Yeah, man. Orange.
Hard working,
Yeah,
man.
man. Peer.
Hard working,
You
man.
are
and
a- you are-
Yeah,
perseverance,
nice
you know.
business.
You're a good
Yeah,
representation.
man.
We
Yeah,
come,
take it
we
in
come
from
out,
that, man.
come out one night, 1 a.m.
Yeah.
I come from the city. And when I roll in and install, I call him for half hour and he can't turn.
Tired.
And I smoke, and I eat some fruits, and I say, all right. And I trot. And the next morning I come and say, you know, say I could have take you and take the whole place the last night, man.
A Rasta place. Him have it already, because him have it, you know. Rastafari is great. Without him, we is nothing, brother, man.
Yeah, yeah,
And we
real.
make all things possible. We is like the sun, you know. You see, like when you see the sun rise into the morning and up on his daily duty.
Yeah, yeah.
And so I and I rise into the morning and we up on our daily duty. And we have earthly work to perform. What you come here to do? Sex some woman, make some pitney born, you send them go school, get them educated.
What you say about the seed, man? Yeah, your bag of seed.
1 bag of seed, we born with it. This is a whole bag of seed. So listen to me, gentlemen. Plant up some of the seed, the black race is dying out. We have to do what we have to do.
But how do we balance so we take care of them?
Well, the earth is the Lord and the fullness thereof. So why not let us just plant some food? We are farmers, man.
Yeah.
See, like when you have the bag of seed to plant, go get some pumpkin seed and some herring seed and some other seeds and plant them so that we can have our own food. You see how Corona come over now and infect the whole place right now.
Yeah.
We short of food. We don't have no food security
Yeah.
because we lay back too much. And we
Import.
put them to come with the little rice
Yeah, yeah.
and then with little chicken noodle and them carry the cup soup them and they get the cashew from Trinidad and we have food up a lot enough. But we
We need
fail
to
to do the right thing.
aggressive
Our government
farmers.
failed to do the right thing.
Aggressive
Both
farmers.
the PNP, both the GLP, all of them is
Yeah.
not for the people. Everybody has somebody picnic and send them go to school, get educated, become better themselves and them family. That's what everybody is all about.
In the island.
Everywhere you
Where in the
go.
world?
That's how the thing designed.
Yes.
You really had no brother love, no sister love, you know. Everybody just selfish and just
Dominating.
selfish and them just there to themselves and them say them show off on one another through material things.
So we say we want them for bringing in the tractors them from the US
We
for
want
free.
the tractor them. Farmers supposed to get everything down there free.
Yes,
It's the
yes,
farmer that keep the thing going. Without food, we is nothing.
To the amount of backside where they get, then suppose you can kill
Yeah,
it.
no.
Basically, them should have make there no taxes for bringing from the foreigners can bring in tractors and them
Everything
things
should
there
have
with,
come in place
with
and
free.
Nobody- We are the grandchildren of slavery, man.
Oh,
Yes,
We
yes.
lose our opportunity, man,
Yes,
to our
yes.
society for years, brother.
Yes, yes.
And all that we have been working for, man, build Europe.
So Marshall,
man.
why
So
not
Europe-
why not run a different party and take over the thing and do the thing.
Them
I-
a kill me
no,
now.
but-
Them a
no,
look,
but
them a
I-
look for done now.
Tell
Them a
them say I party
look
a
a era
one.
leader now.
I party a
Right
one
now,
now. Right
this
now
is
I
my
party a one.
election.
Yes, yes.
Right now, this is my election. I select some cow and some goat right now. And I select a van to carry grass to them now. This is my election. Me I run.
Yes.
I mean, I go hard, you know. We are going to cut grass today again for the animal them because them they one place, me have them at jail. So me have to make sure me I take care
Got
of
it,
them in the
got
jail,
it.
you know. But the earth is the Lord and the fullness thereof, man. We need to just be our brother's keeper. We need to help each other, man. The most fortunate one must always looking forward to help the less fortunate.
What time you close?
Well, we have no special time. Oh, the curfew hours.
Yes.
It's 10 o'clock.
Obey. The man obey.
Yeah, we work with the law.
We have time,
you know,
man.
we have time span, you know.
So you are, we're going to come check your hand. Sit down.
Yeah, man.
Come on.
More reasoning.
More reason,
Make 'em
man.
more,
More strength, man. More
Because
energy, more
Marshall
power.
may always look for the independent people to give the world a perspective.
That's where I take it from, man.
And thank you for your time. I'm going to check out the fish and
Yeah, man.
check out the flitters.
Yes, make everything work, you know.
But you're a real Jamaican.
Born Jamaica.
Your
man of the
ancestors
style, you know.
will be proud of you.
Of course they are, man.
And your children big up with them names. Say them name.
Yeah, man. I have a first son named Jalad. Them call him Zeke. So we have one named David. David House. We have Jamal. We have Pele, Jaim. Oh, what if I never remember some of them names, man? So much youth, man. We look at that after them, Sharifa, Taisha. Taisha, Sharifa, Punchi. Oh, what if I name, bro? That's how a lot of kids, man, and grandkids, man. God bless them, my yard. I tell them, man. It's like one bag of seed I man plant out there, and even know shot I plant some of them seeds sometime. I just see them just come home and say, Daddy, you know. I said, John, no. Then me see me next son, I said, boy, I'm favor Tom, you know. I'm favor the one that you know, Daddy. You walk like Uncle John's son, you know. I said, this is real life. But it's great, man.
It's Jamaica good life.
It's Jamaica, man. Good life.
Now,
Yeah.
if you look at the man, you know, and overview the man, you can see, you know, this is culture.
Yeah, man.
You're the real thing.
Yeah, man. I have a touch of
You're-
the whole of Africa in the eye, man.
You're reincarnated.
Whole of Africa in the eye, Rasta. Them say me favor Marcus. Them
Yeah.
say me favor Mota. Them say me favor Dennis Brown.
Yeah.
They say you favor Barrington Levy.
Yeah.
But me's just African. So me have to favor African people.
You're
you
the
know?
father.
Yeah, man.
You're the
Yeah,
alpha.
Man. Yeah, man. I know me, go, man. I was from that time, man, and till this time, man, and forevermore, man. There shall be no end of me, you know.
Right.
There shall be no end of I, you know. I will be here from that time until this time. Because we are live through genetics, you know.
Yes.
Yeah, man, that's so come now. My son them now, I'm my second life now, you know them here. And then my grandkids them now become my third life, you know. You know? So I saw the life continue now. Because my father would have said right now, me had the second life in him, you know them here. And my son them would have been third life, you know. Just like how I scope it up, you know. And I put the balance together and I say, this is where without end, man.
Yeah,
My first life, my second life, my third life, my fourth life, my fifth life. This is where without end, man.
Total going on.
So as soon as you start to multiply and do the right thing on earth, you find out, sir, you just find the source of life, you're all right.
There's a man that's a younger version of you. One day I want to roll with you, go bring you, go show him.
Yes, King.
The fisher. But he's a younger version of you.
Yeah, man.
So when him see you, I'm not gonna say, oh,
Yeah, no.
John, how come run?
Yeah, man.
How
A real thing,
How
man.
come run find them money?
Yeah.
So you are like him ancient, but him strong, and him have a farm. So basically, when you want things, him can just deliver directly.
I say things set up, man. It's the balance, you know. 'Cause I remember in the Asian scene, it was bartering, you know.
Yes, man.
Yeah.
Yes, man.
Yeah, you give you a car and you give me some.
The mystic.
Yeah, man, the mystic, man. Royal mystic, man.
It's a pleasure.
To be there, you know.
So I'll go through the kitchen.
Yeah, man, right again. Meet the chef, you know.
This is the chef. Talk about yourself, father. This is your time, you know.
Chef, I'm working at the time till
Your time, you know, brother. Tell them your history. This is going to the world, your experience.
Talk to you, chef.
Talk to me about who you is when you start, your family, who inspire you, what you can cook.
Huh?
What can you cook?
Everything, man. I give everything we cook there. Fish, every cook everything, man. What I want, bones food. Let's come each or whatever. You just tell me you want, man.
Okay, so this is the place to be.
Yeah, man.
And years you do it.
Yeah, man, years.
Wicked,
From
wicked.
April up to your from.
So you set me up with a fish and
I'm not detail.
a fritters
I wait till you come. You know,
and a little bit of rice.
You cannot have fritters and rice.
Yeah, man. Alright, set him up in there. Right now, I'm upon it, people. This is a great place. Great people. So what is the art to fry fish without letting the fish stick to the pot?
Make your thing hot, man.
Make the oil hot.
Oil hot, man.
Do you put a lot of seasoning on your fish?
So that I go fry now, say now. Just cut up my season, my pepper, my onion, and get my vinegar. Hot season, and just throw vinegar upon you. Spice up, you know?
Okay. Yes, sir.
You want punish, you know?
Let me see what you have there, sir.
Chunks.
Yeah, man.
Chunks with the carrot and
Yes,
Irish potato.
Yes. So the real thing, you know, Jamaica. Run there and get the fish, cause we stop eat the meat and things. Straight with the fish. And take care of it like that. Yes, brother. This is Jamaica Good Life.
Yeah, man.
And this is the man, your name?
Frederick Patterson.
Big up some family member. You have any?
Yeah, man.
Any lady you love in your life?
Jai for 19 right now.
Jai!
For 19 right, Morrison.
Alright. And any youths?
Yeah, man, you got a boy and girl.
Alright. Them name?
Tomorrow, last Spanish town, man. I'm going to Shina.
Respect.
Yeah, man.